To wire money to a U.S. bank, start by logging in to your account on the bank's website. Once logged in, find the Transfer and Pay option and click on it. Next, select the External Transfers and Wires section and choose the option to send a wire. Then, choose the account that will make the payment and enter the wire amount, ensuring it falls within the daily or weekly limit. You can also add a description and reason for the transfer. After entering the required details, click the Continue button. Select the option to send to a one-time recipient and provide the recipient's details, such as name, address, and residence. Proceed to the Bank Information section, where you'll input the recipient's routing and account number. Verify that all the details are correct. Read the agreement terms and confirm. Finally, click the Submit button and wait for the wire transfer to be processed. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can easily wire money to a U.S. bank.